Hello, happy Christmas and New Year. Now, my name is Maziwhyte, and if this is the first time you're meeting me online, I do affiliate marketing, all right, and I do affiliate marketing with results, all right. I make money online doing affiliate marketing, and it's so beautiful. All right. Now, if this is the first time, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. This is a new channel and it's a growing one. Okay. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. All right, and hit the notification button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And also, I encourage you to leave a like. All right, leave a like and tell me what you think about my videos, all right, so that I can make all the necessary adjustments. All right, now this is a beginner friendly video. All right, I'm doing this video for the newbies. All right, for that person who is about to start his affiliate marketing journey. All right, or you've been eyeing making money online. All right, you've been trying to learn how to make money on the internet. Okay, so I'm doing this video for you. All right, and I want you to follow me till the end of this video so that you got to learn exactly the method with which I employ to make money on the internet. All right, now the first thing I did over time, I've been able to make well over $10,000 online doing affiliate marketing. All right, as a newbie. And what I intend to do in this video is to communicate, all right, my style to you, communicate my knowledge to you, because I also want to hold you by the hand and show you how to win online. All right, so this is a step-by-step video. It's a step-by-step video on how you can make money doing affiliate marketing online business. All right, now the first thing I did to make money online is this. All right, I had to look for somebody who had been able to do what I intended to do or what I'm trying to do. I had to copy an established pattern. All right, I had to copy an established pattern. It is as simple as that. Whatever you want to do, all right, look for somebody who has been able to do that thing before and is doing it successfully, and learn from that person. It's as simple as that. All right, and that is what we call, if you understand the law of cause and effects, you would understand what I just said now. If you want to learn how to make money online, or if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing and have result like I have result, the basic thing you have to do is look for somebody who is doing well online. Look for a mentor, get his course, get his training, all right, and apply his training. Take whatever thing he's teaching you step by step, and I assure you your journey to setting up your online business and making money online is going to be a sweet experience for you. That is exactly what I did. I had to look for somebody who have done it. I got his system, I bought his system, and I applied his system. I applied everything that he laid out in his training, and I got it straight online. All right, and the second thing you have to do is that you have to come to the point that you eliminate every limiting belief. And what do I mean by limiting belief? Eliminate fears. All right, eliminate inner conversations that tends to tell you that you cannot do it. All right, because that is what is going to hold you back from making money online. You got to eliminate every limiting belief. All right, you got to bury them and just convince yourself enough that you can make money on the internet. All right, and the number 3 step is this: you got to convince yourself on a consistent basis, all right, that the internet poses a huge opportunity, a huge potential for anybody who cares and who's smart enough to make money online. And I tell you folks that the internet is a game changer. All right, it is the greatest breakthrough of the 21st century, and you have to be smart enough to leverage the internet to make money. All right, you got to be smart enough to leverage the internet to set up your online business. And I tell you, online business is the easiest business for you to set up and begin to make money, even if you are broke. All right, and the first step is this: you have to work the system that you got. Work the system. What I did to make money consistently online is that I had to work the system. What I mean by work the system is that follow through in all the steps, the training that your mentor gave to you, or the person who is training you gave to you, or the course that you bought. All right, you have to learn how to follow through, apply every step, and this is what I did. All right, now I'm leaving a link to the very training that took me by the hand and taught me how to make money on the internet. I'm leaving that training in this video. It is called the 72 IG implementation system. All right, now I'm going to leave the training below this video, and I want you to click on that link, go watch that training. All right, go watch that training. This was the very training that took me by the hand and taught me how to do affiliate marketing, online business, and do it with result. All right, God bless you, and see you in my next video. And I bet you, if you follow what I just laid out in this video for you, 2021 is going to be a huge breakthrough for you. Okay, thank you, and God bless you.